Westermans here with an Esprit Arrow which has just arrived. What you could do with a good clean down. Nice little ducting machine, or can be have a plasma change, something bigger. At the minute it's got plate rider height control, which is ideal for ducting. Again, that can be changed to for height control, ABC if required. Single band drive, extraction running down the centre. Nice compact machine. Machine's actually single phase. The plasma itself is 3-phase, which can again be changed for single phase if required. Like I say, machine's only just arrived, so this will get cleaned and serviced to order or sold as is. More details available on this and other machines on westermans.com. Standard Edge Pro controls. Thank you for looking.